Hello and welcome to SteelMade. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing a Pro Series Ultimate Kit for the 30-inch gas or electric coil stove. The first thing you should know about a Pro Series Ultimate Kit is that you will be receiving two boxes. One will include the flat top and the drip tray and a manual, and the other box behind me will have the cover board and all accessories that come with it. Now, let's get to the fun part and unbox. Okay, so we have the flat top first. It is made out of 3/8 inch steel. So it's quite a bit thicker than our standards, and then it's a lot heavier, which is why it can only be used on a coiled electric stove or a gas stove, because it absolutely needs to rest on top of those grates or the coils to support it. Okay, so we have the three sides here on the Pro Series and then the drip tray holes, which you can see, but underneath the flat top is the manual and with the drip tray and some instructions. So I'm going to actually get those and show them so I don't have to hold this up the whole time. Okay, so in the box there will be a couple, there will be a recipe card, which is really great for your first use. Feel free to use that or whatever you want to cook on it, but it's a nice simple recipe and a little compliment to the actual flat top, and then some information about our products and how you can get a hold of us. And then we have the manual, and inside of the manual packaging is a drip tray. Now, it's important that when you order your Pro Series flat top that you designate whether you have a gas range or if you have an electric coil range, because the drip tray will be different. If you have an electric coil range, you will receive a drip tray like this, because that's the amount of, or that's the size that will accommodate for the coils or allow enough space to not make contact with the flat top. And if you have a gas, the gas drip tray looks like this. So it's a little different and it has a slanted edge there. So please make sure you choose the right one so that you get the right drip tray. And then the manual on the inside is a very colorful, beautiful manual with lots of pictures and a ton of information about how to clean, how to properly use, and if you have any issues, what to do. If you have questions, this manual should answer most of them, or you can go to our website and go to the help center at steelmadeusa.com, and there's a lot of answers there. Okay, for the second box, you should know that this box is also heavy. It is not as heavy as the box that contains the flat top, but it is pretty heavy on its own. It's probably close to 40 pounds. So again, you may want someone to assist you. If you have any issues lifting heavier objects, please have somebody help you for safety reasons. All right, now let's go ahead and open it. It's a pretty big box. And again, we have a recipe card inside, and then some same info about products again, and where to find information. And then we have the SteelMade toolkit, which includes a slotted spatula, a solid spatula, a food scraper, and then two empty squeeze bottles that are capped. I usually put water in one and oil in the other, but you can put whatever you want in them. And then, let's see, we have flat top oil to help with your seasoning process. Wood oil, because the Ultimate Kit does include a cover board, and this kit actually includes a beautiful in-grain cover board, which I will show in just a moment. And we have flat top scrub. The flat top scrub will be in a bubble wrap bag because it is in a glass jar. If you have any issues getting any food off of the top of the flat top, you just put on a little scrub with water and then it comes right off. And I want to make sure I'm not missing anything else. I think all we have left is the actual cover board, and it is in another box on the inside to protect it. So I'm going to kind of show that. So we have a box in a box, but all for a good reason. We want the board to stay in good condition throughout shipping. So now I just need to open this box and I'll be right back. This is a beautiful maple cover board. It's end grain. As you can tell, there's a different pattern with end grain. End grain is more squares. It's a much harder surface, so it will last a lot longer, or it's better to cut on. There's also information on the inside about how to maintain and care for your cover board and to preserve the look of the cover board. Your cover board will arrive just as with the flat top, which I don't think I said earlier, but they will be in plastic bags. The bags are to protect them during transit. So the cover board has been oiled prior to shipping, but you'll want to oil it again with some wood oil once you do receive it. And the actual flat top will be oiled prior to shipping, and you will need to wash it prior to use to avoid rust. So both are oiled and packaged prior to shipping, and so that's why it is in the plastic bag. If you do see any of it, the bag sticking to either product, that's just the oil sticking to it. It should come right off. It's just mainly just for preserving the product in shipping. Now on the back of the cover board, if I can tilt it up, you'll see the grooves. These grooves are what will fit directly onto the flat top and cover it when the flat top is not in use. This is a wonderful addition to any package. It's a great kit. This cover board makes your kitchen look more high-end. It covers and protects the flat top when it's not in use. It creates more countertop space when the flat top's not in use. And then when you are using the flat top, you have an actual cutting surface. Now this whole package is one of my very favorites because the Pro Series is awesome to cook on. There are a lot of differences about the Pro Series and the Standard, which we are going to go through in another video. So if you want to see those, just kind of scroll through and I'm sure you'll find it. If you have any questions about these products or any of the SteelMade USA products, please contact our support team at info@steelmadeusa.com or visit our website steelmadeusa.com and contact our chat support. Thank you and have a great day.